Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixadroit Art. In today's video, I am going to draw Night Fury in different pose. In my previous video, I draw it from side point of view. Today I am going to draw it from top point of view. That how it looks when we saw it from the above. So let's enjoy the video. Kindly let me know in the comments below if you want me to draw more dragons like this. There are lots of dragons in How to Train Your Dragon movie, and there are lots of dragons apart from How to Train Your Dragon movie. So, if you want me to draw any dragon, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try my best to draw it and color it. And talking about the colors, I am going to post my color videos real soon. In those videos, I'm going to show you how I approach when I do color in any character. Do I start coloring or do I start working on grayscale first and then color? If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys and see you in my next video.